Sending pictures in Character AI adds a visual dimension to your interactions, making conversations more dynamic. To send an image, start by opening the chat with the character you want to share it with. Look for an icon that represents media or attachments, typically shaped like a camera or image. Clicking this will prompt you to select an image from your device. Choose the image you'd like to send from your files. Once selected, you may be able to add a caption or a message alongside the picture, enhancing the context for the AI character. After confirming, the image will appear in the chat feed, where the character can see it and respond. Character AI is designed to interpret and react to visual content, so the bot's response will likely consider the image's content. Using images in conversations can make the AI's replies feel more engaging, whether you're sharing a meme, an illustration, or a relevant photo. Just ensure that the images you share follow Character AI's guidelines, as some content might be restricted. With this feature, you can create a more interactive experience, as the AI bot responds to both text and visual inputs, enriching your overall conversation.